This car won't pass state inspection with the tint this dark, so I'll be taking it off today. I'm using this razor blade to peel the tint. If you use a razor blade on the back window, you don't want to scrape your defroster lines because it will take them off. I'm carefully scraping the part of the glass in between the defroster lines to get a section of tint I can pull on like this. Peel it off slowly. You want to peel the tint off slowly. If you peel too fast, it's more likely to leave a lot of glue on the window, and it will probably take your defroster lines off with the tint if you snatch it off too quickly. So as I'm peeling it down further, I start to notice more patches of glue. So I decide to put the tint back on the window and use a trash bag. Alright, so it didn't leave any glue up here. Well, a little bit right there, just that strip. And then as I started to pull off down here, see we have some glue. So I'm gonna just roll this back up because I don't think I'll be able to peel this whole thing off without getting the glue off. So I'm gonna use the trash bag method. I'm just using whatever spray I could find, this all-purpose cleaner that I have lying around. Spraying this onto the back of the tint and putting a trash bag behind it will allow the cleaner to work its magic and slowly eat away at the glue. Basically, it weakens the adhesive bond so much that no glue or very little glue will be left on the window, and it should be much easier to pull off, meaning I won't have to pull with a lot of force. And if you don't have a trash bag, you can use a large piece of plastic or even an old piece of tint will work, which is how I took the side windows off. I just used old tint instead of cutting up and wasting another trash bag. Now I'm going to park the car directly in sunlight so the sun can heat the back window. Okay, it's been sitting directly in the sun for about 30 or 40 minutes, so the degreaser should be dry and worked its magic by now. See, it's so much easier to peel the tint off now. I don't have to pull as hard or as slow as I did before. So this window is completely clear of glue. There is no glue at all except for on this side, like down here and up here. And these were the areas where I did not spray. Remember, I lifted it up and didn't spray. So I only need to clean this little section right here. Everything else is completely clear. And this is what I used. I'm assuming any all-purpose cleaner will work. People use 409, but I didn't have any 409. I just had this in my house, so this is what I used. Okay, so I only have glue in this area of the back window. Remember, I didn't spray down in this area before I started peeling it off. So I only need to clean this section off. You never want to use a razor blade on the back window. What you want to do is use a scrub pad. This scrub pad will not take off the defroster lines. So I'm just going to spray my degreaser and scrub. And if you don't want to use the trash bag method, this is how you would scrub the glue off of your back window. But I think the trash bag method is much easier and a lot less messy. If your entire back window is covered in glue that you have to scrub off, it can get kind of messy and be a pain to clean up. It's all clean now. All of that glue is gone. I'm just gonna spray it with soapy water now.